So hey, what's up guys, how are you all? Today I'm going to tell you how to make Thunkable app game, and this is the part 3rd of Thunkable, and I will tell you how to make part 3rd of Thunkable. So if you are new in my channel, so go and please subscribe it, and bell icon please click on all. So let's get started and like my video. So I solely tell you we will make this game on Thunkable. Thunkable link I will give you in description, from that you can use it. So I will open the Thunkable. In Thunkable, we will open our previous project which we have created. If you have not seen my previous video, so I will give the link in description. From there you can see it. So let's get started. So first we will sign in our Thunkable. So I have signed in my Thunkable, and then we will go in new game which we have created in previous video. Now I have come in my previous project, so I will give you a preview of my game. For first, there will be a preview when we'll start. It is welcome screen, and then we will get some games, 3 games, and when we'll click in one game, like I will click in first one, so the game will start. Then I will click on back, then again it will translate us to screen 3rd. So okay guys, now let's get started. First we will go in new tab, and I will give this link in description of this game, Video Pad Games. By help of this game we will make more games, we will add more games in this app. So first I am given it here very much screens, and I will give one more screen 7, and then we will go in screen 3, and we will give a button. We will give a button and name as more games. Okay, so we will go now in blocks, and this was our button 9. So we will select button 9. When button 9, click control, navigate to screen 7. So when we will click more games, it will navigate it to screen 7, and we will give in screen 7 more games. So look for games. I will give this Tom running. So first we will skip the ads, and we will click on game, play game. Now this game will take some loading, and there will be ads. We want to cancel the ads. So it will take some time, and it will take us in. Now there is an ad, so we will skip the ad. After skipping the ad, we will get like that interface, game loading. So when our game will load, we want to click right click in the downside one portion. Then we will click view page source. When we will click in view page source, like that interface it will come. So you want to go in play now, and this picture we will save image as in our desktop. Then again we will go in Thunkable, and in screen 7 we will add a column. We will search column and we will add this, and we will give column background color. You can give by your own self. I am giving this color. And then in column we want to do some settings. Vertical alignment center, it should be center, and horizontal alignment is also center. So then we want to give some buttons. We want to give 3 buttons. We will give in screen 7 3 buttons. In first button we will cite the name button, and in last the radius we will do 0. Then we will go in advanced, and in size width should be 150 and height also 150. Then we will go in symbols and we will add a picture. We will upload a picture. So which picture we have downloaded just now, that picture we will upload in this. So when it will upload, then we will, like that picture will come, and we will add one more screen, and we again will go in button screen 7, and in blocks we will look which button is this. This button is button 12, and we will go in blocks and button 12. When button 12 click, controls navigate to screen 8, and now in screen 8 we will go, and in designing we will put a web viewer. In my previous video I have tell you what web viewer do. If you have not visited my previous video, I will give the link in description. So this we have opened view page source. Then we want to click Ctrl F, and we want to write iframe and Tom Run. We will click on this link, and we will copy upside one link, copy, and we will close this. Okay, then we'll go in Thunkable, and in the URL we'll paste this link. Then our game will be completed. Now we will add a button downside of this, and in button we will write, go back. We'll write back, and in blocks we will go button 13 click. When button 13 click, control navigate to screen 7. Okay, so our first game is completed. Now we will go in another game. We will cancel the name button. We will change the radius to 0, and we will go in advanced, and we will change the size 150 and height also 150. So now we want to change something. In column we will go. In column we will change some settings. Vertical alignment, space around. Okay, now we will go in the button 11. Now we want to choose a game. You can choose by yourself. I will choose in this game of Ben 10. We will click on play now, and we will give it time to reload. Give it time to load. After this, we'll wait for some second, it will load. Then a game will come. We want to same right click, view page source, and we will go back in this. We want to again control F, iframe, then the Ben 10 match puzzle, and we will copy again the upside link. Then we will go in Thunkable, and we will add one more screen 9, and we will give a web viewer. In this web viewer we will paste the link which we have copied. Then our game will come, and in last we will put a button, and we will write in this button back. Then we will go in blocks and button 14 click. In controls navigate to screen 7. Okay, then we will go in screen 7, and in screen 7 we will add our picture. So Ben 10 picture I will save in my desktop. I will click on save, and again I will return to Thunkable, and we will put a background picture. So we will click on background picture, upload file, and which we have downloaded, that we will open in this. So then we will reload our Thunkable, and the picture will show. When we will reload the Thunkable, then the picture will show. Then we want to add again the picture which we have downloaded, that picture will add. So then it will come. Then our last game, button 10. We will go in this, and we will cancel button, and we will go at last. We want to do same, and in radius we will do 0, and in advanced size, width 150 and height 150. So okay, now we will choose our last game of our screen. I will choose in this the game of summary match 3. Okay, then we will click on play now. The game will load. It will take some time. So it will take some time, and the ad you want to skip. So I will skip the ad. It will take some time to skip the ad. After skipping the ad, it will take some time to load. So my game is loaded. Then I will again click in right click and view page source. And I will click Ctrl F iframe. Then in the link I will click and I will copy the upside link. And in Thunkable I will make one more screen. Name button screen 10. And we will put a web viewer in this. It will take some time to add web viewer, and then we want to paste the URL which we have copied, and we want to put a button in the end of screen. Then in the button we want to put the text back. We want to go in blocks, button 15 click. When button 15 click, navigate to screen 7. Then we will go in screen 7. We will go in screen 7. We will go in design. Then we will put an image which game we will play. So I will go at back and I will copy this. Save image. At desktop we will save our image. After saving the image, we want to go in Thunkable and the button. We want to put the background picture. We want to add which we have downloaded the picture. So it will add. Okay. Then we will reload the page of our Thunkable. It will take some time to reload, and then it will show our picture. Then we will go in blocks and this is button 11. So button 11 will navigate to button 9. We will go again in screen 7. We will go in blocks. When button, this is button 11. When button 11 click, navigate to screen, navigate to screen 9. And then the last one is this game. This is the button 10 game. Button 10. When button 10 click, then in controls navigate to screen 10. So okay guys, for today this much only. I will meet you in my another video. For that, bye bye. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon. Bye bye. I will meet you in my another video. So bye bye.